What values are valid in Pandas frequency tags? I am new to Pandas, and am trying to use date_range. I came across all kinds of good things for frequency, like BME and BMS, and I would like to be able to quickly look up the proper strings to get what I want. Yesterday I found a nicely formatted table somewhere in the documentation, but the title of the table was so obtuse that I cannot use search to find it again today. What values are valid in Pandas frequency tags?
You can find it called offset aliases. A number of string aliases are given to useful common time series frequencies. We will refer to these aliases as offset aliases.
How to find offset aliases. You can find the entire list of valid frequencies by which returns. It turns out each of these is a class and all of them have a underscore prefix attribute, which is the alias. So, e.g., the alias of minute can be found by In fact, if we look at the source code, the alias dict is constructed by accessing underscore prefix of each offset class. Anchored offsets. In addition to the offsets in Jezreel's post, you can also specify an anchoring suffix for some frequencies. Weekly frequencies can have anchors on any day of the week: W-Sun, W-Mon, W-Tuesday, W-Wed, W-Thursday, W-Friday, and W-Sat. For example, to anchor weeks to end on Mondays, you can use W-Mon. Note that it is case insensitive. Also, quarterly and annual frequencies can have anchors on any month of the year, i.e. the following frequencies can have month as a suffix so that each frequency can be anchored to end on that month. And the valid suffixes are Jan, February, Mar, APR, May, June, July, August, Sep, Oct, NOV, and December. For example, to anchor years to end at the beginning of May, you can use AMay.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.